In this tutorial, we're going to real quickly demonstrate how to clear the cache and browsing history from Google Chrome. Once you're in Google Chrome, right at the top right, you'll see 3 circles. You're going to click those dots and then move your mouse down to where you see settings. Inside of here, just type in clear. Give you some options. We're going to actually clear our browsing data, but here you can clear passwords and cookies and things like that. We're just going to clear the browsing data. Some of the browsing data that you can clear is your history and cookies and other site data. Right in here you can select a time frame. We're going to say all time, and then I'm going to select what I want. In this case, I only want to clear cached images and files. Other things that you can do is come in here and clear some other options. You can play with it however you want to. I am only going to come over here to just the cleared images, which happens to be some of these things. App data. There's my images, cookies from sites I don't really want. I'm going to select all time, basic, and I'm going to just hit clear data. And it goes through and clears all that. So the purpose behind clearing this is it could potentially solve an issue that you might be having with Google Chrome. In this case, it's trying to get this camera to work right here. Sometimes I get an error, and so this tends to help that error. So that's all there's to it.